At VMT, we cater for couples on tour. That's the beauty of our bikes, that offer good comfort and plenty of room for both rider and pillion. And of course, on our tours, we have our backup Mercedes-Benz air-conditioned for the riders and their baggage, and also the pillion. So you might get a pillion that wants to jump on the bike for a couple of hours and then wants to then chill out in the van and in the creature comforts and that sort of thing. So we have that option as well. Certainly our tours are a big attraction for couples wanting to tour Vietnam together, both in comfort and in a bit of style. It's a popular thing. You'll see in our other videos that we do have a lot of couples, and of course it's great to be able to take your partner or your wife on tour, and also have that option that at times if you decide you want to ride on your own, or he wants to have a break from the bike, that the minivan's there to jump in and relax as well. Women pillions, and even women riders in general, that sometimes they feel a bit apprehensive, that they might feel that our tours might be a bit blokey and all that sort of thing, but they all say it was just such a great mix, and they felt really included and certainly enjoyed it. In fact, one of the highest return rider rates are the women on our tours, which is outstanding. So we're certainly doing the right thing there to really cater for everyone.